Hello everyone, from today we shall start a new tutorial series on Python programming. I'll start from a pretty basic level of Python programming and then gradually I shall move towards the advanced concepts of Python programming. What I mean to say is that I'll touch the fundamental part, and this will be a full course. That means almost all the necessary and important topics will be covered. My name is Anupam Pal and I'll be your instructor in this course. And while teaching, I'll take an academic approach to teach you Python programs. By academic approach, I mean that I'll first cover the theory part, that means the explanation part, and then I'll show you the hands-on. And in my view, this is the best way to learn any programming language. I hope that whole journey of learning Python programming will be a great experience to you all. That's all. We shall meet again in the next video. Thank you.